Here's how we can block text on the iPhone. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this. So of course, if you receive messages from people you don't want to anymore, you can tap on that particular message thread and click on the person at the top. This is going to open up this page like this, and you can see that you can either hide the alerts, meaning that you're not like disturbed by the text, they are not getting delivered over notifications, but you can as well just block the contact, and that means that that person will no longer have the ability to send you any messages or even call you for that matter. So that is the option you can do, and of course you can set it up for any other contact that you have available right here. So that's how you can stop the contact from ever reaching you over messages. You can as well, if you mean like generally blocking texts, you can as well just set up the screen time restrictions. If you go to the settings and follow the menus to the screen time, there is a section for communication and communication limits. So you can turn it on and decide that literally everyone will be blocked except for the contacts. So when you click on contacts only, the phone can only text with the people saved in the contacts app, and you are essentially blocking text, right? And yeah, you can see even like the group chats with the contacts included. So it kind of depends on how exactly you want to set that up, but there are most definitely more options. And yeah, you can just also just turn off the notifications for messages in general. That could get the job done as well. So plenty of ways to technically block it. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. If you actually managed to find what you needed, just hit the thumbs up to let me know, and I will hopefully see you in the next videos too.